hosting this year. I feel so strange. But good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of my partners, Tov de Venecia, Anna Santa Maria, who are both in London, incidentally, and to Main Veneration, who is here, I want to thank you all for being here today and for your unwavering support these last 12 years. You know, when I started out in the industry, I started out as this wide-eyed performer. Feeling ko magiging Lea Salonga. Hi, Nick. So I started out as a performer and then I pivoted to become a marketing director because of my educational background and then again producer and now I'm currently the artistic director of the Sandbox Collective. So thank you for your support. As I've grown in the industry, Sandbox has too. And when we started 12 years ago, we were nothing but this little company that could with impossible dreams and just the relentless fire in our bellies. So standing here in front of you today, 12 years later, it fills me with pride, but also disbelief that we're here today and that we've grown and how. And so I just wanted to share a bit, I want to go back down memory lane. Years ago, this director and mentor of mine said that if you want to produce good theater, the way to do that is really to surround yourself with the best talents. I think you know who this is. And he said that you really need to hire the best team, assemble the best possible team, so you can continue to churn out good work. And so that's what I set out to do, not just with Spring Awakening, but for the rest of the 2026 season. So I'm very thrilled to have old and new collaborators with me. You have our mainstay musical director, EJ Gatko. You have Andre Nicolay Pamintuan, who directed me in Lost. You have Salve Van Schoenhoven, who used to be our intern and is now our dramaturg. I mean, Di Cortesano, Missy Maramara. And then you have the new voices coming to help us. You have Wika Nadera, who is here with us today. Gawad Buhay winner, of course. And then, of course, Raven Ong, who I'm working with for the first time in Sandbox, although we worked together in repertory naman before. You have Aaron Roca. So this is like the merging of old and new collaborators. And I'm so thrilled that that's what I'm doing for the 2026 season. And so when I was reflecting on my tenure as ED, there are really two things that I wanted to strengthen, two of our pillars, and those are arts education. I'm sure nabasa niyo yung mga press release, so I'm not gonna bore you and like. And also advocacy theater. When we started in 2014 with this unknown musical about pediatric cancer, Danny Girl, we knew in our heart we wanted to do something different. And most of our shows which have really resonated with audiences are the shows rooted in advocacy. You have Himala, which is a political statement. You had Lungs, which on the surface was about like the breakdown of a relationship, but it was really about the environment. And then of course you have Every Little Thing and Bawat Bonggang Bagay, which is about mental health. And that's something that I really want to continue because what is theater for if not to transform the audience in some way, shape, or form? And so with those two initiatives in mind, I wanted to introduce two departments, two new members of the Sandbox family. I'd like to introduce Marvin Ong. Marvin, welcome to the fold, welcome to the family. Marvin will be heading our new department, our arts education department. So very soon, Marvin will be launching Playground, which will cover all of our arts education initiatives. So these include, but are not limited to, Marvin, you can correct me, master classes, workshops, partnerships with schools, LGUs, institutions, to name a few. And then I'd also like to welcome officially Mr. Reb Atadero. Reb will be heading our audience development department, and that will cover all of our initiatives like concerts, open mics, quiz nights, content-led kind of special events, and many more because we do want to continue building the theater community. As you can see, it continues to grow and boom, and we're in a renaissance, and we want to be part of that. And we want to give back to the community by educating the future movers and shakers of Philippine theater, and also to continue to grow. Pwede papalit ng mic. To continue to grow this wonderful community. So with that in mind, I wanted to talk quickly about our season. Hindi ko muna i-reveal kung ano yung season lineup natin, but Spring Awakening will open it. We will have something in August, and then we will end it in October. So yun muna, pabitin muna. So going back to Spring Awakening really signifies our coming of age, our evolution as a company, and also it really signifies new beginnings for us here in Sandbox under my leadership. And I'm just so thrilled that we have my mentors, the old guards of Philippine theater. You have Tita Menchu, Tita Audie, Tita Anna, you have Tita Anna. Okay. You have O'Neill, joined by the new faces of Philippine theater. And they are the future of theater. So I'm very thrilled to open our season, Spring Awakening. And to end, I just want to thank you all for all your support, for believing in Sandbox, and thank you. And let's continue to grow the theater community, the theater industry altogether. So thank you very much, and welcome to Spring Awakening.